Hello students, we are going to start our chapter Ratio and Proportion. And in this module, we will learn about ratio. Dear students, as you all know that we can compare two objects by subtraction or division operation. Here, if we want to compare these objects, either we will use subtraction method or we will use division method. So, ratio is a fraction that compare two quantities that are measured in the same unit, or we can say that a ratio is a comparison of two quantities that can be written in three different forms, that is A to B, A colon B or A by B. The quantities in the ratio are called terms. First term in this example is A and second term is B. The another name for first term is antecedent and second term is consequent. Generally we use colon to represent ratio. In this example 2, 5, 4 are antecedent and 5, 3, 7 are consequent. Dear student, do you know that we can write ratio in fractional form also. 4:3 can be written as 4/3. Dear students, ratio can be written using two different relationships, that is part to part and part to whole. Here, ratio to football to baseball is the example of part to part. And if we write football to total, it means we are writing ratio as part to whole. Dear students, like fraction, we can express ratio in lowest form or you can say in simplest form. For this, we must divide both terms in the ratio by their greatest common factor. You can see here 12 to 8 converted into their lowest form 3 to 2 after dividing both terms by 4. You can see in next example also. Lowest form of 4:2 is 2:1. Next is equivalent ratios. Like equivalent fractions, we can express ratio as equivalent ratios. After multiply or divide both top term and bottom term by the same number. Like here you can see if we multiply 2/7 with 3/3, we get 6/21. That is equivalent to 2/7. And if we divide 14/12 by 2/2, we will get 6/7. That is equivalent to 14/12. In the same way, 2/7 is equivalent to 4/14 and 8/24 is equivalent to 2/6. Let us discuss some important points that you should always keep in mind. They are two quantities compared should be of same kind. For example, rupees 100 cannot be compared with 5 mangoes. Next is two quantity compared should be expressed in same unit. For example, ratio of rupees 5 to 30 paise should be written as 500 paise to 30 paise or rupees 5 to rupees 0.30. Next is the name or unit of two quantities should not be written in ratio. For example, ratio of 5 meter to 6 meter cannot be written as 5 meter ratio 6 meter. Next point is ratio should always be represented in simplest form, that is 12:24 should be written as 1:2 and 14:16 should be written as 7:8. I hope you understand it well. In next module we will learn about proportion. Thank you.